Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.